we're super happy that you're going to be coming out.
I want to cry. I kind of want to cry.
My people been ballin', my team been ballin'. Canada 100, we use basic tools. Strategies moving where we gotta move. There wasn't no option, no time on the clock, and no setting it back, and we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the rule. We was just rebels and do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up, without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game's been no one. Gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this.
I'm so excited to see you guys because today is day one of Texas Mustang Week, and we are kicking it off by going to MSR Houston. We're loving it here. So excited to see everyone. I'm ready to go. The track is an hour away. As many of you know, we drove 20 plus hours here. The track is an hour away. So we're leaving a little bit early. Gates open at 8. It's 7 o'clock now. We're gonna leave. We might hit some traffic, so we might be there a little late, but we gotta pick up our registration for our VIP and our car show registration and do all that fun stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited. Let's get today started and let's go. Cruising through the city of Galveston right now with the GT500. We're going to MSR Houston to go do karting. So yeah, I'm super excited. We're in a school zone right now, so we're going 20 miles an hour. Some light, you know what I'm saying? Bunch of beautiful cars showed up. Bunch of beautiful cars in the parking lot. There's a bunch of people that I know that are staying all over the island. They got their Airbnbs, they got hotels. So I'm super excited. We're probably gonna catch a lot of Mustangs along the way. We got an hour drive ahead of us. We got an hour drive for 50 miles, so happy. Swag.
Wait, let me see. Go a little higher.
Swag. What is going on, you guys? We're here at Mustang Week Texas, and we are getting ready to get the cars over on the track. We're picking up our registration now, so I'm super excited to do that. Kind of walking around. There's a whole bunch of Mustangs out. So I'm gonna walk around, show you guys some cars that are here, and hopefully we can get the cars on the track and get going, because there's a bunch of neat cars here and I'm super excited. A bunch of people out here already. It's still early. They're doing the drivers meeting and all that now, and then once everyone's out on the track, we'll get some footage for you guys, because this is gonna be super exciting. And hopefully I get good footage. Hopefully I get good footage for you guys. These cars out here are sick. Seeing Ben's car in person is so sick, dude. This thing is beautiful. If you guys don't watch FD, Ben is killing it right now. What? Dude, that is so sick. Oh my god. That's awesome. It's so sick to see in person. Beautiful car. What? That is so MSR Houston here at Mustang Week Texas, and we are having an absolute blast. If you're not here, I'd recommend putting Mustang Week Texas on your schedule. We're gonna be here all week and all weekend, drifting, straight line racing, track racing, karting, you name it. Mustang Week Texas is going to have it, and we are having an absolute blast. You hear all the cars around me. We got Ben Hobson's RTR drift car behind us. This thing looks absolutely insane. I'm having a ton of fun, and I just got to watch Ben drift. Come on down, get your ride-alongs, go drifting, go to the burn yard. Plenty of food for everyone, music, fun for you and the family. It's gonna be a great time. Cars are beautiful. As you guys can see, we just got our helmet and I got the GoPro on because we're going for a ride along with Vaughn or Ben, so I'm super excited. Got the helmet ready, GoPro on, letting you guys know, and then we're gonna go hit the track and do all that fun stuff. So yeah, I'm super stoked. Let's go. Oh, there's a roof there. What up?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
You having fun?
I'm having a blast. Having a blast, dude.
Surprised you have air conditioning in here.
I know. I turned the shit on. I'm hot as fuck.
Care if I pull my phone out?
No, dude, go for it.
Good shit in FD too.
27 hot. 27 hot. I'm 29, 30, 30, 29. Okay, thank you very much, dude.
Yeah, dude. I was watching at work and everything, and I was like, hell yeah.
I appreciate it.
We've come a long way for sure.
Oh yeah. Just some mental work, that's it.
Exactly. hooks and books, dude. Holy.
We did 1.19 G's on this side.
Dude, it hooked and books, dude.
Yeah. I just could tell Vaughn that I beat his G-force. He lifted at 111.
Dude, that's so fire. I'll be with you guys on Saturday too,
Oh,
so during the drift demo, so. Hell yeah, dude. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, man, of course.
Feel the carpool. That's insane. Insane. Ben, super cool guy. If you ever watch this, I appreciate you. Thank you for your time. That's insane. That was cool. That car hooks and books. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. At least for now, because tonight we are meeting at the spot over in Galveston. We have an hour car ride home. I need gas. All the equipment's dying. So we're gonna go home, charge everything, and then we are going to get right back out tonight because I'm gonna get as much footage as I can for you guys. We're gonna go out to the spot and get some pull-ins, some pull-outs, whatever footage I can get, because we're gonna have cars like that Eruption Green GT500 all around Galveston tonight, and it's gonna be insane. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. If you guys see me around Texas Mustang Week, come and say hello. But yeah, with all that being said, let's go.
Baby, I'm crazy.